मैं ज़्यादा लेट तक नहीं जाग सकता, मुझे बहुत जल्दी नींद आती है, जो पहले भी था, बट आई कुड डू दैट. नाउ आई काइंड ऑफ retire by 10:30 and I'm up by. So I think I'm here to celebrate all of those films with everybody out here. I think yes, winning is great. It gives you an extra morale boost. It gives you an opportunity to go on stage and thank the people who've been responsible for that.
Right.
And it's a beautiful trophy that you carry as a memento. So
कहाँ पता चला था, कहाँ पे थे आप यहाँ पे जब पता चला कि भाई इंडिया जीत गई है?
मैं यहीं कहीं ग्रीन कार्पेट पे था जब
हाँ.
मैंने बहुत सारी चिल्लाने की आवाज़ें सुनी.
Literally
और
they were
मुझे
shouting,
उसी
yeah.
वक्त पता था कि ये हुआ है, क्योंकि मैं जब ट्रैफिक में फंसा था, मैं मैच देख रहा था.
हाँ.
बहुत ही क्लोज था, लेकिन दिल में था विश्वास, पूरा था विश्वास कि हम होंगे कामयाब आज के दिन.
That's so good. That's so good. Yeah. Now at IFA, it turns 25, and आप तो वैसे भी मतलब 15 साल के लग ही रहे हैं.
मैं भी 25 का
साल में
हो गया हूँ.
तो 25 साल में क्या थी लाइफ आपकी? This
25
is IFA
साल
at
में.
25. What
बिल्कुल.
was your life at 25?
I was working.
Uh-huh.
I think I don't know if I was, maybe Superstar was just
had
about to release. In February it released. Yeah, so Superstar had just released.
So at 25, what were the do's and don'ts in your life? What were those strict rules? आपके घर में थे strict rules? कि बेटा ये
I
नहीं
think
करना,
pretty
ये
much the
नहीं
same rules that I live by now. So it's not like कि कुछ ऐसा rule wise change हुआ है कि अब मैं ये बिल्कुल नहीं करता. अब मैं कुछ चीज़ें नहीं कर पाता हूँ, वो अलग बात
जैसे?
है. मैं ज़्यादा लेट तक नहीं जाग सकता, मुझे बहुत जल्दी नींद आती है, जो पहले भी था, बट आई कुड डू दैट. नाउ आई काइंड ऑफ retire by 10:30 and I'm up by.
Is it
6.
also because now you're a father, there's a kid, you have to be more responsible,
yeah.
you need to
I
follow a
think-
schedule?
Follow the schedule, yes, because
Yes.
her school time is when
Exactly.
the whole house is up.
तो मतलब वो जो सारी दिक्कतें हर पेरेंट को आती हैं वो आपको भी आ रही है, मतलब भाई जल्दी सोए जल्दी
आई
जागे,
थिंक वो मेरे लिए तो वो दिक्कत नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं वैसे भी early to bed, early to rise types था, तो it's worked out well that now the whole house wakes up, not me alone.
Right. And Soha, we have been watching all our videos on Instagram. मतलब हर दिन ही एक there's a fitness video which is out. We're all jealous how she's staying so fit while we are only gorging on chole bhatures and God knows what. What is your fitness mantra? Are all the tips coming from Soha?
No,
No.
we're very competitive actually sometimes.
Okay.
But no, but we both have had that lifestyle for a very long time. It's just that now, thanks to Instagram, it's becoming a little more public. But
Right.
we've kind of imbibed it's a part of our life. It's not something that we do as a fad. It's lifestyle, and there's nothing wrong in eating chole bhature. You just put in an extra effort in the gym to kind of burn it off.
Right. And for Arpa, just the last question. So many interesting performances that have been nominated. What's that one performance that you're looking forward to?
Listen, I love films. I watch a lot of them. I think art anyways is very subjective.
True.
So for me to kind of say, this is that one breakout performance that kind of is the best is not possible, because I think there have been some very interesting films that were made this year. There are some very interesting choices that filmmakers made.
Right.
Not just with the stories they told and the way they told them, but also with the cast that they told them with. So
Right.
I think I'm here to celebrate all of those films with everybody out here. I think yes, winning is great. It gives you an extra morale boost. It gives you an opportunity to go on stage and thank the people who've been responsible for that.
Right.
And it's a beautiful trophy that you carry as a memento. So
Right.
congratulations to the winners, but also congratulations to everybody who was associated with those films.
Right. Thank you so much.